Game Developers Top 10 Programming Languages in 2022. The online gaming industry literally stands upon the game developers who use programming languages in almost every area of the game. They use several programming languages, sometimes more than one at a time. The right language depends on the project, what features you need the language to have, and your experience level as a programmer. According to Statista, by 2023, the online gaming industry will value about Rs 155 billion. The coders need to seamlessly work on the development to get well-animated and flashy video games. Hence, comes the programming skills that one needs to know to ensure that they can develop the right game. Here are the top 10 game-related programming languages that these developers should master in 2022. C++. C++ is a high-level programming language used to build the biggest console and Windows games. It offers a lot of scalabilities and can be used for small and large gaming projects alike. Also, it is platform agnostic, which means you can simply move projects from one OS to another. C++ is surely one of the best programming languages for gaming projects. The Witcher 3, Dark Souls, Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Fortnite, and more are gaming projects created with C++. Java. Java is one of the best object-oriented programming languages for general computer programming that was created in 1995. Java was established to have as few dependencies as possible, particularly in comparison to other programming at the time and even now. Java is one of the top programming languages that enable gaming developers to build games for every platform. It is one of the most popular programming languages for gaming projects in 2021. Mission Impossible 3, Minecraft, FIFA 11, Ferrari GT3, WorldTrack, and more are gaming projects developed with Java. C#. In a game engine like Unity, C# is the programming language that you code in, but C++ is at the engine's core. C# is one of the best programming languages for Windows and Xbox games. Pokémon Go and Super Mario Run are two popular gaming projects developed with C#. HTML. In this list of the top 10 programming languages for gaming projects, next is HTML5, a popular platform for creating cross-platform and cross-browser applications and games. According to game developers, it can also be utilized interchangeably with JavaScript. HTML is a simple-to-learn programming language and does not need extensive programming understanding of algorithms, making it a prominent choice among game designers. CUDA C. CUDA C is one of the top programming languages used by game developers to build desktop games. When it comes to gaming, CUDA C cores make your game appear more realistic by presenting high-resolution visuals that create a profound 3D impression. You will also examine that your games are more lifelike, with better lighting and colors. Lua. In the list of the top 10 programming languages for gaming projects, Lua is number 6. It is a lightweight, cross-platform scripting language that is gaining traction in the gaming industry. Because of its easy language syntax, it has become one of the top programming for games. Lua is the major language used by game engines such as Gyros Mobile, Corona SDK, and CryEngine. Age of Conan, American Girl, Angry Birds, and Aquaria are among the most popular Lua gaming projects. Python. This programming language does not require any introduction. Python is one of the most user-friendly and flexible programming languages for game developers. It uses the Pygame framework and enables programmers to rapidly prototype games. Python is earning its share of glory as one of the best video game programming languages for gaming projects. JavaScript. As per Gamadef Academy, JavaScript is one of the most well-known cornerstones of web development. As the world rapidly moves towards a web-based economy, online games are getting more common. For creating interactive gaming projects, JavaScript is without a doubt one of the top programming languages. Swift. Swift is the perfect choice for gaming projects. Developers are intrigued by Swift and want to make use of new features to develop their best games yet. Using SpriteEdit, you will learn how to animate sprites and textures. Along the way, you will master physics, animations, and collision effects and how to build the AI aspects of a game. CSS3. Cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language such as HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web, alongside HTML and JavaScript. CSS3 is the next generation of cascading style sheets and much more expands the ability to control the presentation of your site. HTML5 and CSS3 actually make a lot of sense, because the two work together to produce the final rendered page. JavaScript file is responsible for the templating and the dynamic elements respectively, and in the same position CSS is responsible for one thing, and that is style.